Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen one more time with Chef Rock on the cooking show. Today we're going to show you how you can make the best pancake in this world today. First of all, we need 3 eggs inside of a bowl like this. Lovely and nice. 3 medium-sized eggs. Next thing, give it a whisk. Nice and lovely. So that's finished. Second thing, 3 eggs will work out to 1 cup of egg, and I'm using a small cup like this one. So 1 cup of milk. Lovely. Whisk. Nice and lovely. Well, we're going to use some self-rising flour, alright? So first thing, we're going to get 1 cup of self-rising flour. That's 1 cup of self-rising flour right here. It's going to be 1 cup. And also sugar. Using 1/4 cups of sugar. Cinnamon, that's a pinch of cinnamon. Vanilla essence, that's a little pinch of vanilla essence. Grounded nutmeg, that's a little pinch. And also mixed spice, a pinch of mixed spice. And just a pinch of salt. Second thing, blend. Nice and lovely. Look at that. That is beautiful. Basically, if it's a little bit too runny, you can always add a little bit more flour. If you like, if it's a little bit too runny. But this is exactly what we are looking for. Really nice. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna show you how to make one of the best pancakes in the world. And I'm using self-rising flour, 3 eggs, and 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, and roughly 1 1/4 cups of self-rising flour. Because I add a little bit more flour to it, just to get it a little bit thicker. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So have a nice, lovely non-stick frying pan on the stove. I'm using olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use butter, but I like my olive oil. Pinch of oil, and use a brush. Or some people might use like napkin, but I'm using my brush. Alright? Let's take a whisk again. I know you guys are gonna love this one. So, second thing, what we're gonna do, make sure you have it on a medium-sized heat, is the job. And as soon as you get that lovely brownish color, and you see it start to get roughly about 2 to 3 seconds when the start to cook. After I cook, you will see that lovely color underneath the bottom of it. So that's the first one. Nice and lovely. So let's see. Whoa, look at that. That is fantastic. I'm showing you how to make one of the best pancakes in this world. I know you guys will love it. Nice and lovely. So now this one is finished. Got this one. Simple. Let's brush it a little bit of oil. Now this one is finished. Nice and lovely. Most of this is the way all Americans make their pancake, but I'm saying this is the best recipe in the world where you can do at home. Look at that. That is fantastic. Beautiful and really nice. So this is finished. And to be honest, we could just continue to make pancake like this for the rest of the week. Just making pancake like this, guys. Beautiful recipe. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And we got a lot more recipe coming out for you guys. Enjoy it. As you can see, quick, easy and simple recipe, guys. Look at this. Really easy and simple. You can do this at home. 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 1/4 cups of flour, and some spices. That's it. And you can make yourself some lovely pancake. So, now this is finished. As you can see, lovely and nice. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, the pancake them come out so beautiful and nice. And to be honest, they are fantastic, guys. And this is the way our American would normally make their pancake, guys. That's really beautiful and nice. So hopefully you will love the recipe and subscribe to the channel. You can have this for breakfast. You can have it with anything, syrup, whatever you like. And to be honest, if I tear one off, this is the way it looks. So it's perfect, guys. Really, really perfect. Lovely and nice. Soft, moisture and everything. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. As you can see, this is one of the easiest recipe, the best recipe in this world. You can twist it, put whatever you like inside of it and make it at home. See you next time. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye bye.